Ready to unlock the full potential of Quicken Classic Premier and transform the way you manage your money? First, let's dive into investment tracking. Click on the Investing tab. Here, you can add brokerage accounts by clicking the Add Account button. Select your brokerage from the list or choose Enter manually if your institution isn't listed. Follow the prompts to link your account securely. Now, let's explore tax planning. Navigate to the Planning tab, then select Tax Planner. Quicken Premier automatically estimates your taxes based on your income and expenses. You can manually adjust deductions and credits to see how they affect your estimated tax liability. This helps you optimize your finances for tax season. For business owners, Quicken Premier offers powerful tools. Switch between the business and personal tabs to manage separate finances. Use the invoicing feature to create professional invoices. Fill in the client details, add line items for your services or products, and customize the invoice to reflect your brand. Track payments and outstanding balances easily. Finally, let's master advanced reporting. Click on the Reports tab. Quicken Premier provides a wide range of reports to analyze your financial data. Explore reports like net worth, cash flow, and budget versus actual to gain valuable insights into your financial health. Customize reports to focus on specific accounts or time periods. With these features, you're well on your way to mastering Quicken Classic Premier.